This is a video of my Thomas Wayne Railway collection, so please enjoy it. Here's Thomas, Henry, Toby, Douglas, Oliver, D199, Stepney, Splatter, Rosie, Fearless Freddy, Maggie, Mac, and Hank. Don't forget the extras. Have Paint Splatter Thomas and for Plastic Toby. Here's the Road Eagles is Terrence.
No, you barely have.
Here are my trucks and rolling stock. One red express coach, some full truck, he lands full truck. Sorted field tanker, one blue bell car, and the sorted line covers. Here on the aircraft is Harold. Here are my refrigerators. Another white driver, worker, and a railroad sign, a stop sign, a box, and a bucket. And we have a red tree, and orange, and a rock. That is my Thomas Wayne Railway collection. We'll see you soon.